Okay, so in the last class we discussed about products configuration and we create some campaign and campaign members. So what is campaign member? Nagavani, what is campaign members? Nagavani, can you hear me?
In- yes, sir.
What is campaign members?
Interested to buy our product.
Hmm. Maharashtra, what is campaign members?
There are interested people in buy the products.
So normally we can say leads. Okay,
Yes.
leads is nothing but a campaign members. Leads are contacts. Okay. Okay. So what is the relationship between product and price book, Hemlata?
Sir,
What is the relationship between product and price book objects?
product and price.
So మీరు అసైన్మెంట్ చేస్తారా మేడం? హ్యావ్ యు డన్ అసైన్మెంట్?
చేశాను సార్.
Tell me మేడం, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ product and price book? కుసుమ,
Yes, sir.
what is the relationship between product and price book? అసైన్మెంట్ చేశారా కుసుమ మేడం మీరు?
Yes, sir. Yes.
వితౌట్ నోయింగ్ రిలేషన్షిప్ వాట్ యు డిడ్ మేడం అసైన్మెంట్? ఏం చేస్తారు అసైన్మెంట్ మీరు?
సార్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఫస్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం, తర్వాత ప్రైస్ బుక్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం, దానికి ప్రైస్ బుక్ ఎంట్రీ యాడ్ చేసాం సార్.
వాట్ ఈస్ మై క్వశ్చన్ మేడం? క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి మేడం? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్
రిలేషన్షిప్
product and
ఏంటి అన్నారు, దానికి రిలేషన్ ప్రైస్ బుక్.
మహేష్ బాబు, వాట్ ఇస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ product and price book? సో ఏం చేస్తారు మేడం మీరు? ఎన్ని రోజులు ఆల్రెడీ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ క్లాసెస్, ఈవెన్ యువర్ గెటింగ్ గ్యాప్ ఆల్సో. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ క్లాసెస్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ డేస్. సో ఎందుకు మీరు అసలు నేర్చుకోవట్లేదు చెప్పండి? సో టుమారో ఇఫ్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, వాట్ యూ విల్ గివ్ ఆన్సర్? దట్ ఈస్ అ బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్ మేడం. వాట్ ఇస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అండ్ ప్రైస్ బుక్?
Many to many
Many to
దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ మేడం. అదే అడుగుతున్నా కదా. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్. వై యు ఆర్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్? వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ డెప్త్ టాపిక్స్ ఆల్సో. సో
మెనీ టు కొంచెం డౌట్ ఉండి చెప్పలేదు సార్. మెనీ టు మెనీ అనేది సేల్స్ ఫోర్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయదు కదా సార్. ఇది అయ్యి ఉండదేమోనని నేను చెప్పలేదు సార్.
ఎందుకు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయదు మేడం? సేల్స్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది. Actually,
మెనీ టు మెనీ
actually, we cannot create directly many-to-many relationship between two objects. We have to give, see, whenever someone is asking question, so we have to give answers with like not one word answer, madam. So one word answer, no one will accept in the interview. Okay, first you need to change this one. Okay, ఇది చెప్పకండి ఎప్పుడన్నా కానీ. So if someone is asking question, what is the relationship between product and price book? Okay, don't say it is like a many-to-many relationship. You are giving answer like a one word, one-to-many relationship. Not like that. So you have to say, so the relationship between product and price book is many-to-many relationship only. Okay, many-to-many relationship only. So it means one product can have multiple price books. Similarly, one price book can have a what, madam? Multiple products. So in Salesforce, we cannot create directly between the two objects. So here what we have to do? We need to use a junction object.
ప్రైస్ బుక్ ఎంట్రీ.
సో ఇలా అట్లీస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ 5 lines ఆన్సర్స్ మేడం. ఓకే, మీరు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఓకే, ఐమ్ జస్ట్ గివింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. అండర్స్టాండ్ మేడం? అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఓకే సార్.
సో మీరు సింపుల్ గా వన్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ ఆర్ గివింగ్ లైక్ వన్ టు ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ మినిట్ టు మినిట్ రిలేషన్షిప్. సో సింపుల్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, ఇఫ్ యూ నో దట్ క్వశ్చన్, యూ షుడ్ గివ్ ఆన్సర్ క్లియర్లీ. ఎందుకంటే So you can take at least 1 to 2 minutes time there. If you give like a 10-second answers, what will happen? He will ask 100 questions. If you give answers for like 1 to 2 minutes, what will happen? He will ask 10 questions only. అర్థమవుతుందా మేడం?
ఓకే
In,
సార్.
in 30 minutes, if you give like a one word answers, what will happen? He will ask how many questions he will ask? 100 questions అడుగుతుందా? ఏముంది మేడం బెల్ టు రిలేషన్షిప్? నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ క్యాంపల్ మెంబర్? యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ లీడ్. అంతే, సింపుల్ లీడ్ అనకూడదు. వాట్ ఇస్ క్యాంపల్ మెంబర్? ఇస్ క్యాంపల్ మెంబర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ so some leads by generating through the campaign. Okay, so here in the campaign members we can add lead object and contact also. Something like that you have to give answers అనమాట. కొద్దిగా ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయాలి ఆన్సర్. అర్థమవుతుందా? హలో.
Okay, sir.
సార్.
సో సింప్లీ డోంట్ గివ్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఆన్సర్స్. మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ ఎంత ఎక్కువ ఇన్ డెప్త్ చెప్తే దెర్ ఆర్ లైక్ దట్ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఛాన్సెస్ టు గెట్ ఎ జాబ్. వన్ వర్డ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి చెప్తాను మేడం. So to next time almost don't give one word answers. If I'm asking question, you have to give at least 2-3 lines answers. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే సార్.
So one more question. So to add a custom price book to product, what is required? Anyone? To add a custom price book to the product, what is required, madam? ఏముండాలి ఖచ్చితంగా ఫస్ట్? To add product to custom price book. To add product to custom price book, what is required? For example, I'm creating one product, madam. iPhone Pro 13, 23 something. Can I add directly this product to India price book? Add చేయొచ్చా directly? So I have product. So I want a same price book. Can we do directly like this? Or anything is required to add custom price book before adding to the custom price book? What is required?
First, we need a standard price.
Price. Correct, madam. ఎవరు మేడం చెప్పిన ఆన్సర్? అమృత అన్న?
నో సార్.
Honestly.
Okay. So, okay, madam. So, this is very important, madam. So, whenever you create a product in Salesforce, whenever we are creating product in Salesforce, the first thing is we should assign what, madam? Standard price. Without standard price, we cannot assign that product to the custom price book. Understand, madam? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
For example, currently we are using in our or we are using INR currency, Indian currency, right, madam? For example, if you have multiple currencies, example assume we have multiple currencies, USD. Okay. In that case, what will happen? For example, you want to add same product to the, for example, you have multiple currency, INR also there, USD also there. So at the time of creating product, so you want to assign the India price book, you can use. Now tell me, I want to assign the same product to the US price book. What you have to do? Tell me any guess. Before adding this product to the USD price book, what you have to do?
ఎనేబుల్ చేసుకోవాలి సార్. ఆర్గ్లోకి వెళ్ళి మల్టిపుల్ ప్రైస్
I
కరెన్సీ.
have I have enabled, madam. Enable చేశాను. So I have had added more multiple currencies, madam. INR, USD, something like that.
ఇండియా ప్రైస్ కాడ ఇండియా ప్రైస్ యూస్ చేసేటప్పుడు రూపీ పెడతాం సార్.
So actually, what you have to do is, so
Sir.
So here, after creating product, if you want to assign this, if you want to use this product in the Indian currency, you should assign in the standard price. It is a INR, madam. Understand? So similarly, if you want to same product in USD, for every for every country, if you want to use the same product in multiple currencies, what you have to do is, so first you have to assign the standard price for that. Then only you can use this. If, for example, there is no USD standard price, you cannot assign this to the USD price book. Understand, madam? అర్థమవుతుందా? For example, if you take a euro currency, Tell me what we have to do first. If you want to assign this to the Euro price book, so we have to assign this product to the one standard price here, EUR. Then only we can assign this product to the EUR price book. అర్థమవుతుందా what I'm saying? In case if you want to add any product to the custom price book with the different currencies, if you want to add any product to the custom price book with the different prices like INR, USD, whatever you want to add it. So first, before that, it should have what it should have, madam? It should have a standard price for that product. Okay. For example, if you don't have standard price EUR, you cannot assign directly this product to the EUR price book, custom price book. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా ఏం చెప్తున్నాను?
Yes, sir.
Product. In case if I want to use this product in multiple currencies, so you have to create, for example, I want to use this product in multiple currencies. So that many standard prices you have to create. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
So once standard price is there, then only you can assign this to the which price book, madam? Custom price book. Okay. Understand? So this is like a common. In case if you are using only one price book, you don't need all these things. Okay, you can just assign one standard price. You can assign multiple with the same currency. In case if you want to use same product with the different currencies, so same way for each this product you have to assign that many. For example, if I want to use this product in three multiple currencies, what you have to do? You have to create how many standard prices, madam, for this product now? If I want to use this product in three currencies, how many standard prices you have to assign? Three.
No.
3, sir.
Understand? Three.
Yes.
Okay, this is very important, sir. This is very important. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, so what we can do is we can continue our class now. So
Can we add multiple, sir? Like different.
yeah, sir, we can add multiple currency, but you have to enable it in the company information. Okay, why I have not enabled now is if I enable, you will confuse. That's why maybe in future I'll enable and I'll show you how to use that multiple currency also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you want to enable, you can enable it now. You can use multiple currency also. But we are starting now. So if I enable and I do all the configurations, it confuse. So first we'll go one by one, step by step.
Sure.
So I have created campaigns. Under the campaign, I have 3 leads. Okay, here. Okay. So so in the campaign history, you can see this person belongs to this campaign member. So now I am a salesperson here. Who is the owner for this lead, sir? Person is a salesperson. So what person needs to do? So I have created lead, but I need to follow up to the customer. Right, sir? After creating lead, what we have to do? We need to call to the customer. Madam, when you will join the class, I need to follow up the customer. Otherwise, she will not join in my class. Normal, I'm saying, right? So similarly, I need to follow up customer. Sir, when you want to buy product, when we can meet, when you want quotation. So we can ask all the questions. So based on that, by default, the status is open, not contacted. For example, I'm working on this lead now. So what I can do it, I can make a status equals to working and contacted. So this means, so Prasad is working with the Kusuma to buy the asking all the questions when they can you are buying for product and all those. That's why we are making status equal to this. So after a discussion, Kusuma is saying, okay, I need 5 products because in my company we have 3 employees. For example, you can see all the 3 lists belongs to same company, right? IBM. So they are looking for 5 products. She's okay. She's ready to buy a product now. Kusuma is ready to buy a product. Okay. So this means what is lead is qualified. Now what we can call? Now what we can call, sir? Kusuma lead. She's interested means lead is
Qualified.
qualified. So is ready to take the products. So in that case, what we have to do is, if we go here, you can see there is an option called closed converted. Okay. So we cannot directly change this option. We cannot use it. If you use it, okay. So generally we cannot do directly use this one. So generally if you want to use closed converted means should automatically populate actually. By default, it will be like a working contract. Right? Okay. So you can see there is a button here. Can you see button here? Convert button, right? So once lead is qualified, what we can do is we can click on the convert button. We can click on the convert button. So once you convert this lead, it will create a 3 records in the background, madam. One is contact, one is account, one is opportunity. How many records will we create, madam? One contact record, one account record, one opportunity record. Okay. For example, if you assume in this customer record, like what will come under contact, madam? Contact is nothing but a user, individual custom, personal information. So contact is nothing but a personal information, point of contact to that account. Okay. Or individual customer, whatever you want, you can call it. Elana పిలిచేసి మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ మీన్స్ ఇండివిజువల్ కస్టమర్. So account means, so in this lead object, can you see anywhere account related information, madam? This company. So in this lead object, whatever the company name is there, that is nothing but what, madam? Account. It will become account. Account is nothing but an organization information. For example, in this case, what, madam? IBM. In this case, what is the point of contact? Who is point of contact? Kusuma. Yes. Okay. So opportunity nothing but sales information. Normally, how we can create now? So she needs 5 products, right? I can create a IBM sales. IBM needs 5. You can give 5 labs. Something you can give. Okay. So once you convert lead, what will happen? Some fields in the lead object, like a first name, these 2 fields. Okay. So title and phone number. Some fields will go to the which object, madam? Lead object. So contact object. Some fields will goes to the account object, like a company name, address, annual revenue, industry, number of employees. Some fields will navigate automatically which object, madam? Account object. Some fields will automatically map to the which object? Opportunity object. So where we can see all these mappings is, so if you go here, just click a setup. Go to lead object. Click on view fields. You can go like this option also. This is one option to go to the pass. Otherwise, what you can do? Setup. You can just type here lead object. Here also you can see. Understand, sir? How you can navigate to the pass? Okay. Click on fields. So here you can see some button. See, by default, you can see all these buttons are standard fields. By default, Salesforce is providing. Along with, they are creating some new custom fields also. By default, Salesforce also creating some new custom fields here. If you see underscore C means it is custom. There is no underscore C in the API name. It is a standard. Okay. We will discuss that one later. Now just click on this button, map lead fields. So what are the fields mapped to the, these are like, in case if you want to create a new custom field, that custom field you want to assign to any 3 objects, you can use this map, lead conversion map, field mapping. If you want to see existing fields mapping, you can just check the Salesforce article. Lead mapping for standard fields. Okay. In future, if you are creating new custom fields in the lead object, so what you can do? We can use this option. set up lead conversion mapping. That field you can map to the any new object, opportunity object or contact object. For example, these fields are not mapped to any object. You can map it. Okay. If you want to see existing mapping, you can just go to the Salesforce articles. You can see it. You can see, madam, in the lead object, address field is mapped to the which objects, madam, here? Hmm? What will happen if you convert lead? In the lead address field is there, right? So this field is automatically mapped to the which field is, madam, here? A field is mapped in the In the account also there is something called billing address field. The personal account is some other accounts, sir. If you want to use personal account like a business account, two types of accounts are there. If you want to use this personal account, we have to enable it. Okay, but it is not required now. Can ignore this. In the contact also, we have something called mailing address. Okay. If you convert this lead, what will happen is this address field will goes to the account billing address, contact mailing address. Understand? అర్థమైందా? So where this field will go, sir? If you convert this lead, annual revenue field, where it will go? Account means business account. Personal account is normal individual customer. Normally, if you want to use like for each customer, you want to create personal account, we can enable this option, but normally no, not required. In case if you want, we have to enable this permission, personal account permission. Okay. So annual revenue field, which object will navigate, sir, here? That field will go to which object? Account also we have something called annual revenue field. It will map there automatically. So campaign field also there, where it will go? In the opportunity object, there is something called primary campaign. So it will navigate. City, it is like account billing city. Company is nothing but account name. In the contact also, we can see account lookup, opportunity name, and account name, something. Country, it is billing country. Right? Email field, where it will go email field? In contact, you can see the email field. Fax also will go to the account level of the fax is there. Contact also fax there. First name, it will go to the contact first name. Okay. Last name, contact last name. Following everyone what I'm saying? అర్థమవుతుందా ఏం చెప్తున్నాను నేను? కుసుమ, హేమలత,
Yes, sir.
tell me what I'm saying now. What is the meaning of this column, this highlighted one? ఏంటి ది మీనింగ్? ఇదేంటి? What is this one?
అకౌంట్ నేమ్ వచ్చి నాకు చెప్పడం రావట్లేదు సార్.
ఎందుకు మేడం?
ఇది కొంచెం టెన్షన్ ఉంది సార్.
ఏం టెన్షన్ పడండి, జస్ట్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. So if you see left side, all these fields are which object fields? Left side fields. ఇవన్నీ ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ fields? Left side network. Lead object fields, madam. Okay. These fields is nothing but what, madam? Maps to account object, contact object, person, and opportunity object. Okay. If you see this option, in the lead object, we have email field, right? We have email field in the lead object. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
If you click convert button, what will happen is after converting this lead, this email field will goes to the contact also. We have email field. That field it will automatically map on that. Understand, madam? అర్థమవుతుందా? After converting lead,
Everything
the
goes
lead,
to lead converting field, sir.
correct. So after converting, this is a lead field, right? So once we click the convert button, automatically it will give the map. It will map automatically. This lead email field will map to the contact email field. Understand? Now tell me this option. I'll give it this one. So tell me this, in the lead object we have lead source field. Unda lead lo. Anywhere you can see lead source field. అనిపిస్తుందా లేదా?
ఉంది సార్, ఆధారం.
So if once we convert this lead source field will goes to which object?
Owner.
Account.
Account.
In the account also we have a field. Which field name? What is the field name? Account la?
Account source.
Account source. In the contact object also we have something called field. What is the field name?
Lead source.
Opportunity object also we have something called field. What is the field name?
Lead source.
Okay. So what it means is, if you click a convert button, if you click convert button, so this in the lead object, this field will map to the automatically map to the all these objects. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello.
Yes, sir.
For example, mobile. In the lead object, we have mobile field. In the mobile field.
sir.
So if you once convert the lead, what will happen? Automatically that mobile will go to the which place? Contact also we have mobile field. It will go automatically there. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? This is like mapping, madam. అంతే సింపుల్ గా in a lead object, whatever the fields are there, right? All these fields will navigate to the these fields once you convert it. This is a standard mapping. By default, Salesforce is giving map. In case if you want to do custom mapping, like for example, I want to create one new field in the lead object. Customer is interested or not. Something like yes or no, something you want to create. If you want to do that custom mapping, we can use this Salesforce. You have to go to this place. By default, all Salesforce standard fields mapping is like this. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Sir.
Say loudly, madam. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Very easy, madam. Confusion ఏం లేదు. It is simple. So a lead object fields. Once convert lead, once we convert lead, how many records we create, madam, in the background? Once lead is converted, how many records we create in the background? Contact, account,
3.
and opportunity. 3 records. So we should map, right? If it is creating records, means we should assign some data there. Yes or no? We should assign some data for 3 objects. How data is assigned, madam? Based on this case. Understand?
Sir.
So now we can click on one sample lead now. Click on this button, convert button. You can see screen like this. So record owner is Varaprasad only by default. If you want to send email to the owner, like Varaprasad, we are converting your lead, something if you want to send email, you can use this, otherwise not required. What is the account name it is automatically taking? What is the account name automatically it is taking, madam?
IBM.
Why? Why IBM?
Company name.
Company name.
Company name is automatically taking what? Where it will go automatically?
Account name.
Account name. So that's why we need to understand this mapping. Okay. So lead status, what will happen automatically?
Convert.
Also
Closed
converted.
and converted. Okay. So task is what is task? Task is nothing but some work we can assign to the some person or anything. Okay. For example, work person, right? After converting lead, so you can contact him, subject something like that. Task information, assign some task, call something, due date, I'll put it 2 days. Priority, normal. Status not charted. Okay. So what will happen? Along with this lead record, contact record and all, it will create one task also. It will assign to the Varaprasad to follow up the customer, like further steps, quoting purpose and all those things. Understand? Something like some work we are assigning. Description is not required. Reminder is not required. So you can see it is account name by default it is taking IBM. What is the opportunity name it is taking, sir?
IBM.
IBM ఒకటే కనిపిస్తుందా? ఇంకేం సంథింగ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్? ఎనీ అదర్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్? IBM iPhone is there. Okay. So what is the meaning is, if you take opportunity name, so normally we cannot give same name like this. So what you can give? This is a IBM company needs 5 laptops example. You can give any name. I'm just giving like this. Generally IBM we cannot give like that. Like by seeing this name, we should understand okay what they are purchasing. IBM needs 5 laptops. What is this button?
Do not create opportunity.
Don't create a new opportunity upon conversion. So if you use this option, what will happen is it will not create opportunity, madam. Understand? Checkbox if you enable just what will happen? It will not create opportunity. What it will create, madam? Only contact and account. If you enable this option, what will happen, madam? Only contact and account.
Account.
If you disable this one, so you can create a contact, account, opportunity 3. Understand?
Yes,
Click
sir.
a convert button. Now it will directly navigate to the account object because account is a parent for both contact and opportunity. Understand, madam? After converting, where it is navigating? It is navigating to the account object. So you can see account name is IBM. Automatically lead address, you can see, right? Address is coming here. Annual revenue, technology, some phone numbers. So automatically some fields are mapped to the account object. So you can see contact also. Kusuma. So here you can see some fields like a first name, last name coming. So Kusuma belongs to this account, company account, title entity, mailing address, lead source, right? So something like that, email, phone number, fax. If you go to again account, you can see opportunity also created. Some fields automatically map to the lead to opportunity, like a opportunity name we have given, account name, lead source, right? Close date. It will by default, it will take a quarter end date, sir. It will like every 3 months, right? Quarter. So 31/3. In case if I create a opportunity like April, tell me what the date it will take, close date. If I am creating opportunity is in April, what is the quarter for that? For example, for year we have 4 quarters: Jan to March, April to June, right? July to September, October to December. For example, if I'm creating opportunity in April, what will happen? What is the close date will come? Any guess? Now we are in which month, madam?
Feb.
So quarter అంటే ఏంటి సార్? ఫస్ట్ క్వార్టర్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు?
6 months.
Jan, February, March. No, quarter అంటే 3 months, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
January, February, March. So March ending date is what? 31st. Now we are in first quarter. So that's why by default it will take a first quarter end date. If I am
Okay.
creating April 15th, I am creating opportunity. What it will take close date?
Oh,
April 15th is which quarter? Second quarter, right?
second quarter, sir.
Second quarter end date ఏంటి? April, May, June. June
June
30 or 31st.
that
Based on
30.
that, 30 or 31st, right?
30, sir. Yes, sir.
So that way it will automatically populate this field. Okay. And this is very important, it will stage field. By default, it is a prospecting. అంటే 10% of interested customer now. So this lead is coming from which campaign? That is automatically mapped here. Understand, sir? And you can see open activities. Nothing but we have assigned some task, right? Call to this customer 19th. Right? Or a person is assigned this person. So this task is created for all the objects. If you go to the account also, you can see task, same task. Right? This is activity. Or a person is to do. For contact also, you can see same task. Understand, madam? So once lead is qualified, how many records it will create, madam? Once the lead is qualified, how many records it will create?
3.
3 records. What are those?
Account, contact, opportunity.
What is account?
Account is nothing but personal information.
Account and the company information, madam. Now in the account you are seeing personal information, company information here. ఇక్కడ పర్సన్ కనిపిస్తున్నారా మీకు? Can you see any person here?
No,
Account
sir.
name is
Company
organization.
information. Yes.
Contact means personal
Personal
information.
information.
Opportunity means sales information. Simple. Account information, personal information, sales information. Understand, madam? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి. ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
Now can you see Kusuma here? కనిపిస్తుందా Kusuma ఇప్పుడు లీడ్స్ లో?
No, sir.
Why?
Convert this.
Kusuma is converted to the what? Account, contact, and opportunity. That's why you cannot see in the list view. Okay. That's why you cannot see in the list view. But in the interview, they will ask questions. What is the question they will ask in the interviews? Where or how we can see converted leads in the Salesforce. This is the interview question they will ask. Okay. Do research in Google today and give answer tomorrow. అర్థమవుతుందా సార్? మీరు గూగుల్ రీసెర్చ్ చేయండి, వస్తుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. హౌ వీ కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు గూగుల్లో పేస్ట్ చేసిన ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇఫ్ యూ పేస్ట్ సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ గూగుల్, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఆన్సర్. జస్ట్ రీసెర్చ్ ఇన్ గూగుల్ అండ్ గివ్ ఆన్సర్ టుమారో. వాట్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ సార్? వేర్ హౌ వీ కెన్ సీ కన్వర్టెడ్ లీడ్స్ ఇన్ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్. ఎందుకంటే వీ కెనాట్ సీ కన్వర్టెడ్ లీడ్స్ ఇన్ ద అగైన్ ఇన్ ద లీడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. కనిపిస్తుంది మనకు? నో రైట్? కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు లీడ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కుసుమ కన్వర్టెడ్ లీడ్స్?
నో సార్.
నో. సో అందుకని క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాను. గూగుల్ రీసెర్చ్ చేయండి, ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి టుమారో. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ క్యాంపెయిన్, సి క్యాంపెయిన్ ఏమైనా చూద్దాం. వీఆర్ నాట్ టచింగ్ క్యాంపెయిన్. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని చేంజెస్ మేడం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారా? ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా ఎన్ని చేంజెస్ ఇక్కడ? ప్రీవియస్లో ఏముండే, ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా యాడ్ అయినాయి? సంథింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ యాడెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ హిస్టరీ ఇన్ ద లీడ్ ఫీల్డ్స్, క్యాంపెయిన్ ఫీల్డ్స్?
Yes, sir. Converted lead in the campaign.
Correct.
Opportunities.
Opportunities.
Right? You can see number 111 because what happened? So we have converted one lead. That's what is showing one number one. So automatically one contact also created. Yes or no? Automatically one opportunity also created. If you go down, previously R type is leader. Now what is the one type here now? Kusma is which type now? Leader or contact now?
Contact.
That's right. So now actually manage members means what here is both leads and contacts. Now you can see contact. So Kusuma is converted into the contact now, from lead to contact. Understand? We should understand why it is changing, when it will change. All those things also need to understand. అర్థమవుతుందా సార్?
Yes, sir.
You need to convert one lead and go to the campaign, observe all the fields which are changing, and observe చేయాలి one by one. So now I will convert Nagavani also. So Nagavani also belongs to same company, IBM. So again, I need to create account, madam. Is it required? Now what these three people are thinking is, so Kusuma is the head of the company. Okay. Kusuma is the head of the company. So now she will take care all the products. Like anyway, they mentioned 5 products they want, right? So now Kusuma is the main person. So Nagavani and who is the other person, madam? All that persons also working in the same company. Super ready. So no need to create again account, because already all are discussed internally. They want to go with the bulk 5 products. So now if you click convert, what is happening? It is, if you use this option, what is happening, madam? Create new account. So don't create new account. Click here. What is the difference? And IBM is there, right? Why it is not showing create again? Maybe actually it will show here only. Like there is an option, create a new account IBM or choose existing account, something like we have to see it. Why it is not showing? We can only view if it is changed actually functionality. Previously how it is working is here only we can see create new account, existing account, both like a lookup, like a pick list. Now what is happening? If you want to see existing accounts, you have to click this lookup icon. Understand, madam? Click OK. So already account is there. So now just select this account. What happened now? What happened now? What you can see now?
Attach to existing app.
Actually, this option is previously showing here only. but now I think Salesforce is changed. If you want to see existing account, it is clicking this option. It is asking like this. So I don't want to create again same account. It will be duplicate account, right? That's why I'm just not creating. I'm attaching this lead to Nagavan also to the which company, madam? IBM company.
IBM.
So do I need to create again opportunity? అవసరం ఆపర్చునిటీ మనకి ఇప్పుడు నో నీడ్ వై ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ కుసుమ నాగవేణి అండ్ సుబ్బారెడ్డి డిస్కస్ సో షీఈ్ లైక్ అ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఓకే వాట్ షీ సేయింగ్ ఓకే విల్ గో విత్ ద కంపెనీ నేమ్ డోంట్ గో లైక్ ఇండివిజువల్ ఒక్కొక్క పర్సన్ అవసరం లేదు విల్ గో విత్ ద కంపెనీ విత్ అవర్ కంపెనీ నేమ్ ఓకే సో దట్స్ వై no need to create again opportunity also because already opportunity also created. Yes or no? Hello? అర్థమైందా మేడం వాట్ ఐమ్ saying? హలో వినిపిస్తుందా వినిపిదా
Yes, sir.
why I have enabled the chat box?
Do not create a new opportunity.
Why? Already Kusma is converted. Kusma is already having account. Kusma is already having opportunity. In the opportunity, what she mentioned? ఏం కాల్ చెప్పారు? She needs how many laptops? 5 laptops.
5.
So she is taking care with us. So that's why we don't need again duplicate opportunity. Now all are working in the same company, IBM, right? In case if you are working in a different company, you want to take like individual. I don't want to go with the company name. You want to take like something like individual, you can go for personal account and all this. Now they are going with the company name. So that's why. So next time, no need to create a new opportunity. So this contact I want to send to the existing account. Don't create new account again. It will create one more IBM account again. Listen, అర్థమవుతుందా? Now tell me, how many accounts, how many contacts, how many opportunities now we have? How many accounts we have now? Two accounts or 3 accounts?
3 accounts, but 2 accounts converted.
So now how many accounts will be there in the account object now? 2 accounts will be there, 3 accounts will be there. Or 1 account. How many accounts will be there in the now in this table? We are converted 2 reads, right?
Yes, sir.
How many accounts will be there now? Tell me.
2 accounts.
Sir.
2 accounts.
How many people are saying 2? How many are saying 3? Anyone is saying 1 at least? 1 చెప్పారు ఎవరన్నా 1 అని
ఆపర్చునిటీ 1 ఉంది కదా సార్
అకౌంట్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మేడం
2 ఉన్నాయి సార్
2 ఎలా వస్తాయి మేడం
Sorry,
One,
sir.
sir. One, sir. Actually,
లేదు
account
సార్
name is IBM. That's why only.
So first,
కాంటాక్ట్ ఉన్నాయి
first when we are converting Kusuma, so we have created new account. When we are converting Nagaveni, so we have created new account or attached to the existing account. What we did?
Attached to the exit.
Attached to the existing account. So same account, it will not create again one more account. So 1 account only, 2 contacts. That's it. Now it is created only contact only because I have attached that lead to the existing account and what I have enabled, don't create opportunity. So that's why it will create only contact. Understand?
ఎస్ సార్
అర్థమవుతుందా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి సో
ఎస్ సార్
ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఓకే సో టాస్క్ ఈస్ క్రియేట్ ఫర్ నాగవని ఆల్సో ఓకే ఎనీ చేంజెస్ విల్ కమ్ నౌ హియర్ ఓకే ఏమైనా చేంజెస్ వస్తాయి రిఫ్రెష్ చేస్తే
ఓ నో
Yes, yes, sir.
కాంటాక్ట్ పెరిగింది సార్
లీడ్స్ ఏం పెరగలేదా మేడం కన్వర్టెడ్ లీడ్స్ ఏం పెరగలేదా
Yes, sir. Change.
లీవ్స్ పెరిగింది సార్
So
Sir,
now
but
two
opportunities only 1 ఉన్నాయి, sir.
opportunities in campaign why one only why
ఆపర్చునిటీ
how many opportunities we created till now
నా లిస్ట్ లో
They need
One-
only 5 laptops, sir.
the one opportunity we created right madam for
Already exit.
Nagaveni so for Nagaveni we created opportunity or not created no we have not created this what we did is don't create opportunity something we have mentioned in the checkbox in the convert screen you remember అర్థమైందా అందుకని is not created. One opportunity, one account, two contacts. Understand? ఎందుకు create అవ్వలేదు? Because if you convert this Subbareddy, so here what is this checkbox is enabled. This means what will happen if you not get opportunity. And what we did, ఇక్కడ instead of creating new account, what I am doing is Subbareddy also belongs to same company. I can choose the existing account, attached to existing account. Now what will happen? Subbareddy is a customer contact will under which account? IBM. It will get opportunity or not?
Not.
No.
Yes, sir. Already exiting.
So we are attaching this to the same account, not required. Tell me now, how many accounts, how many contacts, how many opportunities now?
Opportunity 1, contacts 3, accounts 1.
Correct. Understand? ఎందుకంటే we are attaching all the customers to the same account. That's why. Clear? In case in the lead object there is a working in Accenture company, you cannot assign to the Accenture to the under IBM. You have to create a new account. And you have to create a new opportunity for that account also, Accenture account. Because now why we are attaching all the customers to one account? Because all are working in the same under Kusumo. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Any changes will come now?
Contacts.
Contacts in campaign 3. Converted leads also in campaign 3. Opportunities is only one. Okay. So now all campaign members are contacts now. Instead of leads, they are becoming now contacts. But any guess, man, what is the main difference between lead and contact? Difference ఏంటి? Lead and contact. Any guess?
Leads means interested people, sir.
Contacts means almost interested. Almost they're ready to be buy. Tell
They're
me, sir.
thinking to buy.
Correct.
ఖచ్చితంగా
Yeah, lead also they are thinking to buy only, madam. Okay, that's why they're becoming lead now. Lead and normal. We can call it as a normal term, prospect, right? Prospect, something. In sales terminology, what we can call it as a prospect. Prospect means what? It is they're interested to buy our product. They contacted it. They contacted it as maybe something like that. We generated it. So contact means what, madam? So after following up all the customer, they are ready to take our product. And they are very much interested in that. They are going to buy our product. Lead means they are not going to buy our product. Maybe they will buy, may not buy. అర్థమవుతుందా? కొనొచ్చు కొనకపోవచ్చు. But contact means there are high chances, 90% of chances. Why? They are satisfied. That's why we created all the information, their account information, contact information, opportunity sales information. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా మేడం?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this. So now we know what is the account is nothing but organization. Okay, account information. Contact is like a individual customer, personal information. Opportunity is nothing but what, madam? Sales information. Sales information means what? Like in this, what is the current stage of opportunity? Okay, what are the products they want to buy? All these things. Okay. So now which products they want to buy, madam? So how we can, like they are saying 5 laptops, right? So how we can add products here? So here we have an option in the opportunity object. What is the buttons are there here? Add product, choose price book, start. So first thing is what you have to do is if you want to add products to the opportunity, first we have to choose the price book. Understand? So there belongs to India customers. So what I can choose now? India price book. So we have created 2 custom price books, madam. India price book and standard USA price book. This is by default Salesforce is providing standard price book, one more price book. Okay. So we don't use that one. We'll go with the India price book. Cassette. So once you select the price book now, you can see what is the price book you selected for this opportunity. You can see that name also here. So now we can add all the products under this price book. What are the products they are buying in this price book? Whatever the products are there, you can just click add products. You can see all the products under the price book. These are all the products is there. Okay. So they want, for example, this one. Okay. And this one, 3 products. So Click a select. So how many they want, madam? Total 5, right? I'll take this is a 2, this is a 2, this is a 1. Okay. Date is not required now. Just leave it blank. Just prices will automatically come from the price book. Let's see. Okay. So after creating a sales here, what is sales information? This one, right? So what is the further steps we have to do? Which products they want to buy? We need to add it. How we can add? We have to use the opportunity product object. What we can call this object, madam? The object name antaru. What we can call this one? This is nothing but which object we can call? Opportunity products, not a products. What we can call this object? It is showing like a products here, but actual object name is what, madam, here? Opportunity product. Understand? What are the products we are adding here? These are nothing but opportunity products object. Okay. So opportunity products is nothing but what? So we are selecting the products for that opportunity. Opportunities want to buy which products? That is nothing but opportunity products. Or we can call, there is one more name, opportunity line item. What is another? What is we can call this object, madam? The object name antaru opportunity products or opportunity line item. So here what we have to choose? Just first we have to choose the price book. Then we can select the products here. So what is the price now you can see here?
90,000.
90,000 now. ఎందుకు సార్ 90,000 వచ్చింది?
మనం ఇచ్చాం కదా.
ఏమి
2
ఇచ్చాం
lakh,
మేడం?
sir.
ఏమి ఇచ్చాం మేడం మనం? ఏమి లే. సో ఇక్కడ 2 into 10,000 ఎంత
ఓహో.
అవుతుంది? 20,000. 2 into 20, 40,000. 40 plus 10, sorry, 40 plus 60, 20, 60 plus
Total
30.
90.
So that's why it is showing automatically 90. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా how this amount field is populated? So whatever the products you are adding here, it will automatically calculate the total quantity into sales price. It will display here. What is this one, madam? How much amount is there here now?
Revenues 9,000.
9,000. ఎందుకు కనిపిస్తుంది 9,000? Any guess? Why it is showing 9? Here it is showing 90,000. Why it is showing 9,000? Any guess? Because
10% probability.
Probability is 10%.
correct. Because of this stage. This opportunity is still in where, madam? Initial stage. Starting stage lone undi. It is in starting stage. So this based on the stage, probability will change. For example, they are coming qualification, still 10%. Analysis, 20%. They want quotation. How much percentage? 75% of chances to close the opportunity. They're asking some negotiation. Okay, some discount. 90% of chances. So closed one ante enti? Opportunities won. Means they purchased the products. Understand, madam? So based on the stage, probability will change automatically. అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So for example, I'll put this need analysis. So this one also we can change. We don't need to use all the stages. If you want to use only 5 stages, 6 stages, that also we can change. That we can discuss later. We can discuss now. It is confused. Okay. Click save. Any guess now? What is expected revenue? Why 18,000, madam?
80,000. Sir. Probability 20.
Probability
20%.
20%. Right. For example, customer is saying analysis. How much will come?
63,000.
Probability 70.
70 into 9,000. How much, madam? 63,000. Understand? Automatically it will come. Okay. So what we did today is we have converted leads. After ఏం చేసిన మేడం? Created accounts. అంటే 1 అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి. contacts, opportunities. Then what you have to do? Add a products to the opportunity. So if you want to add products to the opportunity, what is the first step you have to do, madam? Then child, first choose price book. Then only, then add a products. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes.
So these are all we have done today. So do this assignment, madam, and we'll connect tomorrow again. Okay, assignments అయితే కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. Okay, and don't give like one word answer tomorrow. అర్థమవుతుందా?